Your string trimmer line may be jammed if you've got one line coming out on one side and on the other side there's no line coming out, and if you've used the bump feed and nothing's coming out, then you're going to have to fix this. The easiest way to fix this is to take the head apart. Do that, find a little push button here, it's on one side and there's one on the other side, press them in and pull the top cap off, and that will release the spool. And you can see here we've got a lot of string line in here. What I'm going to do is just pull all the string line out. And then put the head back in, put the head back on, line up these little push tabs with the holes on the main part of the head, put it on, and then push it on until it clicks in place. Now you can restring your string trimmer. To restring the Greenworks string trimmer, turn this top part of the head until these green lines line up with the holes on either side of the head. This particular one turns clockwise when you're looking at it. They're lined up. To thread your string line, you'll see there are two arrows right here on the hole. Bring your string line, put it through there, push it through, and it'll come out the other side. Pull half through on this side. I'll turn my string trimmer over for this part, hold the base steady, and then turn this part clockwise. If you do it on its side, you end up getting tangled. But if you go like this, you end up getting the string line tangled. But if you do it on its back like this, you can hold the base steady, let the string fall, and then just twist it. And that's how to fix the jammed string trimmer line on this Greenworks 60 volt string trimmer.